Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly manifest their desires, wealth, love, success, or even radical transformations in their lives, while others struggle endlessly? What if I told you there's a timeless secret, a method used by mystics, visionaries, and everyday people for decades, that allows you to tap into the infinite power of the universe to create the life you truly want? This isn't magic or wishful thinking. This is the teaching of Neville Goddard, a man who revealed that you are the universe in action, and your imagination is the gateway to your reality. Stick with me until the end, because today, I'm going to break down Neville's most profound technique, how to ask the universe for anything, in a way that's simple, practical, and life-changing. Whether you're new to manifestation or looking to deepen your practice, what you're about to learn will shift how you see yourself and your power forever. Neville Goddard's core philosophy is deceptively simple: your imagination creates your reality. To ask the universe for anything, you don't beg, bargain, or wait for external permission. Instead, you step into the role of the creator by living from the wish fulfilled. Here's how it works: every desire you have is already real in the unseen realm of imagination. Your job isn't to chase it, it's to accept it as yours now. Let's say you want financial abundance. Most people focus on their empty bank account, reinforcing lack. Neville would say, stop that. Close your eyes and feel the relief of having more than enough. Visualize holding a bank statement with your desired balance. Hear the sound of a notification alerting you to a deposit. Feel the texture of crisp bills in your hand. Saturate your senses with the emotion of already owning it. Why? Because the universe, or your subconscious mind, doesn't argue with your assumptions. It accepts whatever you impress upon it through vivid feeling and repetition. This isn't daydreaming. It's deliberate creation. The moment you immerse yourself in the feeling of your desire being fulfilled, you collapse time and space. You're no longer a person hoping for a better future, you're the version of yourself who already has it. But here's where most people stumble: they let their outer world dictate their inner state. Neville taught that faith isn't belief without proof, it's loyalty to the unseen reality you've built in your imagination. If you check your bank account the next day and see no change, don't panic. Persist in the assumption. The universe works in bridges of incidents, seemingly unrelated events that lead to your goal. Maybe an old friend calls with an unexpected opportunity, or you stumble upon a book that shifts your mindset. These are not coincidences, they're the universe rearranging itself to match your assumption. The key is to ignore the how and trust the why. Your desire exists because it's already yours in the infinite now. Test this. Start small. Assume you'll receive a compliment today, or that traffic will flow smoothly. When it happens, you'll build faith in your power. Then, scale it. The more you practice living in the end, the more your outer world must conform. Now, let's talk about the feeling that makes this work. Neville didn't mean fleeting excitement, he meant the deep, sustained emotion of relief. Imagine craving water in a desert. The moment you finally drink, your desperation dissolves into quiet gratitude. That's the feeling you want to cultivate. When you truly accept your desire as done, anxiety vanishes. You stop obsessing over outcomes because you know it's handled. This isn't passive, it's a disciplined focus. Write your wish in present tense: I am so happy now that I'm debt-free. Repeat it as you fall asleep, when your subconscious is most receptive. Persist until it feels natural. If doubts arise, revise them. Mentally rewrite a bad day as a success. This isn't denial. Repeat it as you fall asleep, when your subconscious is most receptive. Persist until it feels natural. If doubts arise, revise them. Mentally rewrite a bad day as a success. This isn't denial, it's redirecting your mental energy to align with your desire. Remember, the universe isn't separate from you. If this feels overwhelming, take a breath. Start tonight. Before bed, dwell in the feeling of your wish fulfilled for just 5 minutes. Persist. The universe rewards certainty. Share this video with someone who needs it, and watch how your life transforms when you stop asking and start assuming. This is your power. Don't let it go to waste.